it's John at Costa Mesa R&D. Today we have a Volkswagen VR-6 cylinder head on the resurfacer, and we need to resurface this head because it's warped. One of the things I've noticed on this head is that the valves sit pretty close to the deck surface, and before I actually resurface this I want to check it and see that the valves are below the deck. So what I've done is I've taken a small tool bit here that's flat, and what I'm going to do is run it up here, and actually I can feel the valve sticking up a little bit on this cylinder here. That one there seems to be down below. I'm hitting that one there. That one there's below, and let's see what we got around. It's sitting on that one there too, and just barely touching on that one there. So what we're going to have to do is actually take this back off of the machine so that we can remove the intake valves on this one side, and then we'll continue the process. I have the head set up on my disassembly bench, and we're going to use this piece here to come down and compress the spring so we can get the keepers out. And we'll do that on all the valves. We'll remove the valves, and then we'll go ahead and finish up the resurface job on the head. I've taken about 3/1000ths off the head, and as you can see it still hasn't cleaned up, so we've got to take a little bit more. This is a real common problem with aluminum heads. On the exhaust side is generally where you'll have the most warp, and that's exactly what we see here. Well, we've taken a total of about 8/1000ths off this head to get it to clean up, and that's looking pretty good. All we have to do now is to take and get it cleaned up and put the valves back in and send it back out to the customer. If you have any questions about Volkswagen VR-6 machining, call John Edwards at Costa Mesa R&D. We'll hear from you soon.